Welcome to Prompt Sphere, your guide to AI tools, prompts, and possibilities. Whether you're a creator, student, entrepreneur, or tech explorer, you're in the right place. This channel is built for anyone who wants to learn how to use AI tools to create, automate, and grow. Here at Prompt Sphere, we explore popular tools like ChatGPT, MidJourney, Notion AI, and more. You'll learn how to use them, what they're good for, and how to craft the perfect prompts to get the best results. In a world moving fast with AI, knowing how to prompt and apply these tools gives you a competitive edge. You'll learn to save time, think creatively, and unlock your potential, even if you're just getting started. Expect practical tutorials, beginner-friendly walkthroughs, expert tips, and real-world examples. We break down AI topics into simple steps that anyone can follow. Subscribe now to stay up to date on the cutting edge of AI and join the conversation about the future of intelligence.